Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. And today, what we're handling is office equipment in Chinese. What are those kind of office equipment? What are their characters in Chinese? What are their pinyin in Chinese? So, before we go on to the list of the topics we have, of the context, what I want you to do is subscribe to this YouTube channel. Click on this like, share this video, click on the subscribe button. So let's begin now. So as you can see, here are some lists. Number one, we have desk, the normal desk or table. You can call it table. So you can call desk shu drawer, shu drawer. Now it means book table. That's why desk is different from normal table. Table, anything can be there, but for desk, it is mainly for important things. Now number two, we have chair. You can see the character. Now the pin is it. Number three, computer. You already know computer. Computer is called dian now. So your normal computer, either your laptop or your desktop, it is generally called dian now. Now number four, we have the printer. You can see the character. Now printer is called dianyinji, which means printing machine. Number five, we have scanner. You can see the character, the pin, and it is pronounced as sao mian yi. Okay, number six, copier. That is the photocopy machine. Now photocopy machine is pronounced as fu yinji. That is for photocopy machine. Number seven, we have the telephone. It is called dianhua. Number eight, we have the fax machine. Fax machine is pronounced as chuanjonji. Okay, now I hope you are understanding all I'm saying here and you're also pronouncing after me. So what you do for me now is, if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, click on the subscribe button, like this video, and share to your friends. Okay, this is number 8, fax machine. Now let's go to number 9. Number 9 is file cabinet. Something like your wardrobe where you put all your books. Now file cabinet is pronounced as wenjiangui. Number 10, stapler, for holding documents together. Now it is pronounced as din shuji. Number 11, paper shredder. It is used for destroying your pieces of paper. If you don't want anybody to have access to it, maybe after printing something, reading it, if you want to tear it into pieces, you put it into the shredder. It is called sui jiji. Sui is to tear, G is paper, then G is machine. Sui jiji. Number 12, the normal whiteboard we know. Now you can see the character. Now it's pronounced as bai ban. Number 13, we have projector. Now projector is pronounced as dou yinji. Tou yin ji. Tou yin ji. Pronounce it. Tou yin ji. Now number 14. We have calculator. Calculator. Ji Suan Chi. Ji Suan Chi. Ji Suan Chi. That is calculator. Number 15. Desk lamp. Desk lamp. Tai dong. Tai dong. Tai dong. That is for desk lamp. Now, this is the first part of the office equipment. I hope you enjoyed today's class. So what you do for me is start from the beginning, write down the characters, write down the pinyin, and try to pronounce them. Everything from number 1 to number 15. Then try to memorize them so that you'll be able to know them as soon as you see them in the office. Then when you see them in the office, try to pronounce them with their pinyin. Okay, so please like this YouTube video, subscribe to this channel, share it to your friends. Thank you for listening.